Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Amazon Alexa notifications on your iPhone. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who no longer want to see those Amazon Alexa notifications. How do you actually turn it off? Either way, this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that you're first going to hop into your iPhone and then find your settings tab. So click on settings. Now on this page here, you want to scroll down to where it says notifications. So click on notifications. Now next, you want to scroll down until you find your Amazon Alexa app. So here we have Amazon Alexa. It's in alphabetical order as far as arranging your applications on your iPhone goes. So click on Amazon Alexa. And then from here, you want to toggle off notifications. So you can see that once I click on that toggle button, all the settings and alerts and different modes that I have for notifications are removed. But if I want to just simply toggle it back on, I just got to click on it and then it's now turned back on. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn off Amazon Alexa notifications on your iPhone. But if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.